Rock-cut temples, Masrur. The monolithic temple complex of Masrur is one of the rare architectural marvels in India. It is located majestically on the summit of a local sandstone range at a distance of about 60 kilometers from Dharamshala in district Kangra. This monumental grandeur was continued to languish in obscurity and consequential neglect up to AD 1875, when it was for the first time noted among the objects of antiquarian interest in the Punjab and its dependencies. Lahore, 1875, the devastating Kangra earthquake of AD 1905 caused major damage over its monolith solidity. However, it was recognized by the Archaeological Survey of India in AD 1912-13 for its documentation and conservation after declaration as centrally protected monument. There is an enduring sense of mystery to the shrine. One legend has it that the Pandavas built a temple during their period of exile, abandoning it when they sensed change of being spotted and identified. Considering the colossal size of magnificence of the temple complex, it may be suggested that this could have been created by an unknown imperial patron, possibly a paramount king of ancient Jalandhar kingdom in the Punjab, which kingdom extend to the parts of present-day Kangra district. The traces of structural and architectural fragments found in an extensive wild area on the slope of the hill on which the temple stands may indicate existence of a township around the Masrur temple complex in the remote past. It may be suggested that this place might have remained a capital in transit of the Jalandhar rulers after they were ousted from their original home in the plains. The Masrur temple complex one consists of 19 freestanding rock-cut temples. However, only some of them are survived. The central temple named as Thakurdwara, around which others are symmetrically configured. 16 temples are carved out of single huge outcrop of sandstone, while two cruciform shrines are separated from the main part, stands on the flanking corners. The main shrine is scooped to form an interior, while the others are solid ones with superficial exterior ornamentation and elaborately treated entrance door frames. The main temple is facing northeast. Originally, it was a Shiva temple, as evidenced by the depiction of Shiva on the door lintel of the sanctum. It represents Nagara style of architecture and consists of a square sanctum, vestibule, mandapa, and mukhmandapa on elaborated plan. The ruined mandapa and mukhmandapa is now evidenced by the massive round pillars still standing on the plan. The temple has elaborated antarala between mandap and malaprasad. The ceiling of the antaral preserves some of the finest carvings, consisting of 7 full-blown lotus and diamond lozenges. The river goddesses Ganga and Yamuna appear on either side of graduated projection flanking the doorway. The sanctum has large and profusely ornamented doorway, which consists of 5 receding dwarshaks and lintels. The sakhas of lintels are decorated with 17 figures with Shiva as Lalata Bimba, out of which 5 different figures of Shakti goddess placed over the lintel are Maheshwari, Indrani, and 3-headed Vajravarahi can easily be recognized. The plain sanctum has a raised platform in the center on which rest 3 stone images of Ram, Lakshman, and Sita of later period. The main shrine has Nagar Shikhar, rises above into 9 stages, and each mark the Kamar Malka. The dilapidated Shikharas rises above Varandika, decorated with broad chaitya, torfa motifs. The graduated Sanksikhas on the 4 sides have 3 Bhadramukha arranged in the succeeding pattern, one above the other. 2 cruciform shrines separated from the main complex, standing on either side. One of them, which is situated northeastern side, is intact. It preserves some of the finest stone carving on its four graduated projections. The wall moldings also consist of Khur, Kumbh, Kalas, and Kotapalati. The partly carved niches enshrines the image of Indra, Shiva, Durga, and Kartikeya. The Jangas are topped by Varandika and the letters profusely decorated. With the Chet Dormar, the lintel on the eastern doorway shows seven deities and Shiva occupying the central position. The lintel of the northern entrance shows five female deities with Lakshmi in the center. The rest of the jumps and lintels are carved by rosettes and Paralta designs. Besides, there are few rock cut caves located on the eastern hillocks deserves attention of scholars and visitors. These are hewn out of the parent rocks and seem to be about of 70 age and years. Apart from that, the visitors can enjoy the sporting fishes in the water tank excavated in front of the temple.